Hey folks, Randy Gost again. Just sharing some more information with you. This is where I get my beef from. I have a subscription that I get it every month. Sometimes I'll give some of it or even all of it out if I have some left over. This is Yoder Family Farm. It's in Barnesville, Georgia is where I go. And I'll just tell you, this is the best ground beef I've ever had. They're pasture raised and grain finished, no antibiotics, and very, very, very little grease or whatever that comes off of it. And the patties don't actually shrink like you do from the grocery stores, and it's very good. So wanted to share that with you. They have more than that, of course. They have beef tallow and everything. They have the cuts of the different steaks and all that, along with sausage and butter. So you can get all that at Yoder Family Farm. And this is the honey that I get from them. So I wanted to share that with you. I've met Donald Yoder, and I've met his wife. I don't know her name. And one of the daughters. And they are just such a blessing. They've been a blessing just to meet them. They're so humble. So I wanted to share that with you. You can go online and check them out. And you can either subscribe or order. Now, to my knowledge, I don't think that they've shipped yet. And I haven't tried any of those other companies that ship to you. But I pick this up fresh every month. And so I wanted to share that with you. Excellent products, incredible taste, and very good value. So God bless y'all. And let's start eating healthier and better, and prepare ourselves for what's coming. God bless y'all.